Hi, in this video I'm going to review the travel cot Dream and Play from Hauck. Here you can see my little one in it, and I'm also gonna do the unboxing quickly of it. Here is the box it comes in. So now let's go and open it up. What was particularly good about this cot was the price. It is very affordable, it's very cheap, so check online, you can really get it for a good price. I'm also gonna leave a link underneath this video so you can check that out as well. So here you can see a little opening. The zip goes only until here because here is a handle that's sticking out here. That's very useful to carry it around. Here, what I really like with this bag has plenty of space. You know, sometimes when you buy these things, they can be quite tight, these bags, to carry things in. But this has plenty of space. So now let's set it up. Here you can see there's some pictures of how to set it up and how to fold it up again here. So here is the unfolding of it. Looks pretty simple. And here is the folding. This part here is the mattress. Here, let me show you. Let me put this aside. Here you can see it is quite thin. That's the only negative part about this bed so far. It is that it's so thin and it's quite hard. But I put a blanket on top and she did sleep in it a few nights now. I also got another mattress I will show you near the end here of this video. So you might want to get something to put on top, a mattress or a blanket, so it's just not just that hard for the baby. In here is the instruction manual. It's very simple to set it up. I will show you anyway. So here you can see what it says. So now let's unfold it. First of all, you have to open up these legs, put them a bit wider here apart. And this middle part has to stay up here. So you need to keep it up. So like this, not like this, keep it up. And then you click here these parts in place like this. Here clicks, clicks. You pull it up and it clicks, clicks. And then you push this part down.
Pretty good size.
And now we put the mattress in. So let me just quickly show you that in a close-up, how to do it here. So
This needs to be up. Then you just click these. And here. Click. Here. Click. Here, click. Click. Then you put this one down. Simple, easy. That's it.
So here you can see it with a mattress in it. I just got a normal mattress for it, but you might want to get yourself travel cot, mattress, or some kind of blanket to put on top, so it's just not so hard. So now let's take it apart again. I'm taking the mattress out. And then you have to pull up this first again, and then click on here. Press on here and it clicks. I will show you. You pull it up and down. I will also just show you that in a close-up again, how you do this here.
And to unlock it, you pull this first up. Then you click here is a button clicker. So it goes this. And here. Here. And here. And that's it. Now we put it back together.
So you have to align these nicely so they fit here in a proper way, so you can fold it up back together. And then you take the mattress here and you put it around it, just like when you unboxed it, here like this, and you fold it around it so it fits nicely. And then you have these tags here to pull it tight.
So here we have her. She has plenty of space. Hello. It's a nice playpen. And she can see me through. Hello. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello, Winnie. Oof.
The travel cot gets for me definitely 4 out of 5 stars. Only 1 star missing because of the mattress, but it is cheap, it's affordable, we got it for a really good price, and you know, it's easy to set up and to fold up again, because obviously that's important, you have the baby running around. So yeah, definitely we can recommend it to you as a good, cheap and affordable option.